exporting all your memories in Snapchat. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once in there, simply tap on the photos icon available right next to your shutter camera. Once you tap on the photos icon, you can view all your memories. Now simply tap on any and tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the export option available there. Then slide to the last and tap on the download or save option available. And hence it will be saved to your photos or gallery. Now you will have to repeat the same process to each memories you want to export. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.